हाँ जी बेटा, let's start with the question number 12th of exercise 12.2 13.2. The question is, a dice is tossed thrice. Beta, it is given here, a dice is tossed thrice. Then find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. It is written here that you need to calculate the probability of an odd number at least once. For that, beta, let me suppose that the event of getting an odd number, because there are, you have to toss dice 3 times. That means 3 odd numbers की हमें ये बात करनी है. तो बेटा, let the events जो है, let the events of getting odd numbers जो है is represented by OI, where I is 1 2 3. Obvious है, क्योंकि 3 बार थ्रू किया है हमने. Now बेटा, please remember this thing, you need to calculate at least जो है, it is written once. That means at least once means it can be 1 time, it can be 2 times, or it can be 3 times. So that means in order to evaluate all this, what you need to calculate? Probability O1 union O2 union O3. For calculating this, beta, because it is not easy for us to calculate directly the probability जो है of union of O1 O2 O3. So what we do? Better to write here कि मैं 1 में से क्या माइनस कर दूं कि कोई भी ऑड नंबर ना आए. जब भी आपने एटलीस्ट का कैलकुलेट करना होता है ना, तो हम क्या करें? 1 में से नो ऑड इज देयर. अब नो ऑड इज देयर मींस ना तो फर्स्ट टाइम ऑड भी नहीं आया, तो मैंने बार लगा दिया. इनटू सेकंड टाइम ऑड भी नहीं आया, मैंने उस पे बार लगा दी. नाउ थर्ड टाइम आल्सो द नो ऑड नंबर इज देयर. तो व्हाट आई विल डू हियर? 1 minus no odd is there. Now beta, what you do in the next step, how you evaluate in the next step for probability of not getting any odd number first time? So what you have to do? You can write here 1 minus probability of odd number. Now same is here, 1 minus probability of odd number second time, 1 minus probability of odd number third time. Now beta, it is very easy to evaluate the odd number, because you know it, the probability of odd number is always, जब आप you are having 6 numbers and out of that 3 are odd, so that means probability of getting odd number either first time or second time or third time combinedly you can write, or probability O3, that is 3 by 6, that means 1 by 2. Now what you do? You just put the values here. 1 minus, this is complete close, you can put the square brackets here. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, and 1 minus 1 by 2. Now calculate these values. 1 minus, this is again 1 by 2, this is again 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Now 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is 1 minus 1 by 8, that is 7 by 8 is your answer. This is the probability that at least जो है once an odd number comes. Okay beta, clear to you? Any doubt to anyone? You can raise your hand if any doubt is there. Okay, that's good. No one is having problem. Now come to beta next question, that is question number 13 from your book. Firstly read that question, after then we will do it. 2 balls are thrown at random with replacement. Please underline this word, because till now whatever question we have done, that is based जो है without replacement, but here it is written with replacement, means once you take out any ball or anything from a bag, you have to put a bag. That means the probability will not change. Okay, so here it is written same, that you have to replace the ball. Now what is written here? 10 black and 8 red balls are there. What you have to be given here? Number of black balls. Number of black ball that is given to you 10, and the number of red balls that is given to you 8. That means total balls जो है that is given to you, that is 18. Now this is what given to me. Now I have to read what I need to calculate in the question. Find the probability that, first, here it is written in the first part that both balls are red. Here it is written, I need to calculate the probability in the first part that both are red. So what I need to calculate? That means probability of red into probability of red, because both are independent events हैं, तो intersection will converted into जो है separate multiplication. So that's why write directly. Please, you have to write here that R represents the event that red ball is taken out. R represent the event that red ball drawn or taken out. It is up to you. Okay, now beta, now for getting a red ball, how many red balls are there? 8, and total is 18. Avneet, can you tell me what is the probability of getting a red ball?
Ma'am, 8 by 18.
Okay, don't unmute yourself, just mute here. If in the first throw it is 8 by 18, now if you drawn out the second red ball, then what is the probability again? हाँ जी बेटा, अवनीत,
Ma'am, 18 into 8 by 18.
pardon beta, please repeat it.
8 by 18 into 8 by 18.
Very good. 8 by 18 into 8 by 18, because once you drawn out one ball, you replace it back. That means the number of balls जो है that will not be changed, because again then the box is having the same number of balls that is in the first case. Very good, Amneet. So that means while calculating, unmute yourself now, Avneet. While calculating the first ball, it is 8 by 18, and when you are drawn out the second ball, it will remain 8 by 18. If it is in the question written that key you have to do it without replacement, so please keep in mind this thing. Instead of 8 by 18, here वो क्या बन जाना था? That is 7 by 17, because already the one ball is drawn out. Okay beta, now come to the second part. What is written in the second part? That the first ball is red and the second ball, the first ball is black and the second is red. They specify कि पहला कलर कौन सा होना चाहिए and the what will be the second color. They have specified it. So that means we can't change the order beta. तो here हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Second part में whatever they mention the order, please keep the same order here. It is written there, first is black and the second is red, and word is there. That means again it is intersection and independent events are there. So that means I can change it in product form like this. Again same जो है, taking out a black ball, the probability of drawn out of a black balls are 10, total are 18. Again it is with the replacement. means once you taken out a ball, you have to replace it back in the same box, means no change in the number of balls. Now the number of red balls are 8 and the total is 18. You can do the cutting and get the answer. Okay, beta. 2 4 the 2 9 the again 2 5 the and the 2 9 the it is 20/81. Okay, now the and you have to specify because we have not specified ki what is B. When you are writing here R represent the event that the ball drawn, red ball drawn, then you have to write here B be the event that represent that the ball is black. Okay beta. Now come to next beta, that is the third part in the same question. Now you tell me, firstly I will read it and you have to tell me one of them is black and other is red. Here in the third part it is written one is black and one is red. Now any one of you please tell me what is the difference between this part and the second part. Hurry up. Garima, you can tell me beta. What is the difference between this part and the second part, third and the second part? वहां पर भी यही लिखा था कि one ball is black and first ball is black. हाँ जी, yes, गरिमा बताइए. गरिमा please unmute yourself बेटा.
1 minute.
हाँ जी, sure बेटा. I'm asking what is the difference between second part and the third part? Okay, Avneet, you can tell me.
मैम in the first part मैम उसमें first ball black ही होनी चाहिए, condition थी.
Okay.
लेकिन second part में first black भी हो सकती है और first red भी हो सकती है, second black हो जाएगी.
Very good, beta. That is 100% correct answer. In the second part, they have mentioned the order that the first ball is black and the second ball is red. But here they specified one of the ball should be black and one of the ball should be red. Order का बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. So that means कि यहाँ पर we have to consider probability. पहली ball black हो सकती है, second ball might be red, और जब और आता है तो हम क्या पुट करते हैं, प्लस. तो दैट मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी रेड एंड ब्लैक भी मेरे पास हो सकती है. सिंस द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रेड and black or red, they are independent event, so that can be converted in multiplication by the theorem. So beta, because both are independent events, so I just put like this or write like this. तो बेटा now मेरे पास जो है very easy to do this question कि in the statement it is written that the number of black ball is 10. So firstly 10/18. Now red 8/18. Same red ball मेरे पास 8/18 into 10/18. Solve it and get your answer. Okay beta. Now beta, come to next question. Important 14th question is important from examination point of view. Probability of solving specific problem independently. Independently means कि दो person अगर solve कर रहे हैं, एक अपना solve करे, दूसरा अपना solve करे, दोनों के solve करने का question की जो probability है वो मेरे पास दी हुई है 1/2 and 1/3, है ना. I consider it कि let A be the event that A solve the problem independently. So in the question जो है, firstly what is written, I just write probability of A. That means 1/2. You have to mention in the starting, let A be the probability or A be the event that it is solved by A person independently is 1/2, and B be the event that it is solved by the other person, that is given to me 1/3. If both try to solve the problem independently, find that the probability, first part is given, the problem is solved. जब फर्स्ट पार्ट को करने के बहुत सारे मेथड है. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होनी चाहिए। इसका मतलब क्या करें, 1 माइनस प्रॉब्लम दोनों सॉल्व ना करें, वो कर लें। एक तो मेथड ये है। दूसरा सेकंड मेथड क्या है, मैंने कहा था प्रोबेबिलिटी मुझे कैलकुलेट करनी है कि प्रॉब्लम जो है इज सॉल्व। अब दूसरा मेथड क्या है, ए सॉल्व कर ले, बी सॉल्व ना कर, पहला, और ए सॉल्व ना करें, बी सॉल्व कर ले, सेकंड। ये भी तो हो सकता है कि दोनों के दोनों सॉल्व कर दें। Second method is this. Now beta, how to evaluate this? You know that A and B complement, yeah, B not, you can say anything here, that they both are independent, so I can separate the probability. Same here, probability of A not, probability of B plus probability of A, probability B. Now I can substitute all the values here. Probability of A is 1 by 2. If probability of B is this, that not B is 1 minus 1 by 3, that means 2 by 3. Now beta, so what you have to put here, 2 by 3 plus not A. Obvious, a probability of A is 1 by 2. So probability of not A is 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, now you can substitute the value here, that is 1 by 2. Then probability of B 1 by 3 plus probability of A is 1 by 2. Probability of B is 1 by 3. Now you can, no need to do cutting because ultimately हमें LCM लेना होता है, तो सेम है तो इसीलिए हमारे लिए इजी हो जाएगा। तो this is 2 by 6, 1 by 6, then 1 by 6. Now taking 6 LCM, 4, answer is 2 by 3. Okay beta, any problem, to anyone? Okay, now come to next beta part is there. Second part of this, exactly one of them solve the problem, very easy. One of them solve the problem. What does it means? Suppose me and Mamta ma'am, we are 2%. Exactly one of them solve means if the question is solved by me, Mamta ma'am will not solve it or not able to solve it. Or if Mamta ma'am solve it, I am not able to solve it. And only two cases are there. This one ki both will solve the case, that will not come here. क्योंकि exactly one of them solve means किसी एक ने solve करना है, so that means in second part exactly one will solve the problem, that is represented by only this, only this. Okay, so that is जो है 3 by 6, answer is 1 by 2. Exactly one. Suppose A is represented that I will solve the question and B is represented that Mamta ma'am will solve the question. तो यहाँ not B है, means she is not able to solve. Here, if I am not able to solve, she will able to solve. Okay, see? So same procedure, second part, no problem at all. If any question is there, you can raise your hand and ask me. Is it okay to everybody? Should I move to next question? Just thumbs up. Okay, very good. I will move to next question beta. Question number 15, same parts that we have already done. You try this as a homework. If any problem is there, you can discuss it with me. Okay, and you can ask me anytime. Okay. Again, the question number 16, very important from examination point of view, board examination point of view. बेटा बहुत बार ये पेपर रिपीट होता है क्वेश्चन पेपर में. तो what that question is, firstly we read this question. In a hostel, 60% of the student read Hindi newspaper. I always represent the same events whatever is mentioned, because Hindi start with the alphabet H, so I just write the probability of it so that it will be clear to me. That will be easy for understanding. 60% of the student read Hindi newspaper. percentage means 60 over 100. So now 40% read English newspaper. Here it is written, probability of English newspaper is 40 by 100. Now 20% read both Hindi and English newspaper, and is mentioned, and means intersection. So that means the probability of Hindi intersection English, that is represented by 20%. 20% means what you have to write here, that is 20 by 100. Now beta, what you have to calculate here, a student is selected at random. Here it is mentioned that a student is selected at random. The first part is find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English newspaper. There might be some students who are not able to read English or Hindi newspaper. So what you have to do, you have to calculate the value of such students who are neither reading English nor Hindi newspaper. That means neither Hindi not means not हो गया ना, तो not की value हम कैसे calculate करते हैं, that we have to learn in this question. अब देखिए बेटा ध्यान से इस पार्ट में, A part is there, neither Hindi nor जो है English newspaper. अब बेटा, अब जब मैंने neither हिंदी नॉर, अब जब भी आपको पता है ये नॉट वाला बार हम हटाते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, जब मैंने नॉट वाला बाहर कॉमन लेना है तो इंटरसेक्शन विल चेंज इनटू यूनियन एंड इट इज लाइक दिस. बार आप ऐसे जो है नॉट के साथ रिप्रेजेंट कर दो, वो ज्यादा बेटर है. ओके, जब भी, क्योंकि हम इसको अगर अंदर लेके जाते हैं तो अलग अलग करते हैं तो यूनियन विल चेंज इनटू इंटरसेक्शन. तो बेटा अब ये देखिए मैंने ये नॉट को डैश से रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया है. तो अब बेटा मैंने जब ये नॉट हटाना होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एच यूनियन ई. ये नॉट हटाने के लिए 1 माइनस पूरे की इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी आ जाती है. दैट मीन्स व्हाट आई नीड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एच यूनियन ई. अब बेटा एच यूनियन ई की अगर मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिए तो व्हाट आई एम अप्लाइंग हियर, आई एम अप्लाइंग द फॉर्मूला that we have did in +1 in set theory, that probability of first event plus probability of second event minus probability of intersection. Now you just see, you have the probability of H, put the value here 60 by 100. You have probability of E, that is 40 by 100, minus you are having intersection probability, that is 20 by 100. Now solve it and get the answer. Okay beta, clear to you? Now beta, what is in second part? In the second part, if she reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability that she reads English newspaper. Now you just see in the statement, it is clear cut mention one condition, that कि हमें पता है कि she reads Hindi newspaper, that is given to us, and whatever whenever something is given, that means we have to use conditional probability here. So for that beta, what we have to apply here, you just see कि it is given in the B part that कि she reads Hindi newspaper, I need to calculate the probability of English. So beta, for that, you know formula for the conditional probability, that is E intersection H over probability of H by the conditional probability. Now you are having the value of this E intersection HO, yeah, H intersection EO, one is the same thing. The value of this is 20 by 100. And what is the value of probability of H? That is 60 by 100. 100 cancel. Answer is 1 by 3. Okay, beta. Any doubt to anyone? Now the same is part third. If she reads English newspaper, find the probability that she reads Hindi newspaper also. It is just the reverse of this part. What you have to calculate here, let me rub this part. I think you are able to do. I just write the formula. In the C part, you have to calculate Hindi, provided we know that she is reading English newspaper also. So that is probability of Hindi intersection English over probability of English. You are having the value of both the numerator and denominator. What you have to do, you have to put the values and get the answer. Okay? Chaliye beta. Now next MCQ type questions. Very easy. The probability of obtaining an even number on each die when a pair of die is rolled. अब उसने कहा है कि हमें प्राइम नंबर, इवन प्राइम नंबर, कैन एनीबडी टेल मी व्हाट which number is even as well as prime? Okay, Gurmehak, please tell me any number which is prime as well as even.
2.
Very good, very good. 2 is the only number which is prime also and even also. And they said कि हमें probability calculate करनी है कि दोनों में even number भी आए और prime number भी आए. तो that means कि आप देखिए मेरे पास favorable case सबसे पहले, और आपको पता है कि अगर pair of dice throw किया जाए तो total cases 36 होते हैं. You know it very well. I'm not writing all the events 1 1 up to 1 6. Now 2 1, same 2 6, 3 1, 3 6, 4 1, 4 6, 5 1, and up to last 5 6 and 6 1 and 6 6, and you are having total 36 cases. And I need to calculate firstly the favorable event. Only 2, 2 is my favorable event. So that means the probability of that event, that both are even and prime, that is 1 favorable, and total is 36. My answer is 1 by 36, and that is D part in the book. Okay, my option D is correct. So you have to tick that option. Now question number 18. This question might come in 1 mark, 2 mark. जो है, no doubt it is given here in MCQ, but it can come directly also. So what is that question? Firstly, we read this question number 18th. Question number 18th is two events A and B will be independent. ये independent कब हो सकते हैं? If उन्होंने जो ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, पहले तो जो कभी हो ही नहीं सकती हैं उनको हम चेक करें. फर्स्ट उसने ऑप्शन दिया A and B are mutually exclusive. They have written कि अगर A और B mutually exclusive है तो मतलब वो independent तभी होते हैं जब mutually exclusive होते हैं. That is not 100% true. That is not the condition for independent event. So 100% first option तो हो ही नहीं सकती. Second option हम directly नहीं बता सकते हैं. We have to firstly evaluate. So let it be on the side. Now third, probability of A is equal to probability of B. ये भी कोई necessary नहीं है कि अगर independent events हैं तो उनकी probability same ही हो. That is not we have studied. ठीक है ना? Now come to D part, that if both the events are independent, then the sum of their probability is equal to 1. That is also not necessary. So what does it mean? I have to check the B part. मैं directly tick नहीं कर सकती हूँ. मुझे पता है कि B part ही रहेगी option. But sometimes हम भी तो गलत हो सकते हैं. So we have to verify 100% that कि वो जो है part option correct है कि नहीं है. Let it be checked out. ना? Probability of A not, B not. You know that if no sign is mentioned here, there is an intersection sign, dash. Beta, you know it very well. When dash means not, sign can be taken combined, though intersection will change into union, and it is like this. Okay, now what you have to do? 1 minus probability of A union B. Now, what you have to do? You know it, the probability of A union B, that is 1 minus probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. And you know it from the definition of independent, that if both are independent events, then probability of A intersection B can be written as probability of A into probability of B. Now, what we have to do? We have to open the bracket, 1 minus probability of A minus probability of B. Now, minus probability of A, probability of B. Now बेटा फैक्टराइज कीजिए, इनमें से आप कॉमन लीजिए probability of 1 minus probability of A, common लीजिए probability of B. What you get here? You just see here, when I have taken it common, now here negative sign is there, so it will become plus. Okay, when you are taking probability of B common, what you are getting here? 1 minus probability of A. You just see both जो है are the common factors. Now what you have to do? You have to take it common, that is 1 minus probability of A, and what is left inside here? It is 1 minus, and what is here? Probability of B. Okay, so this is what I have to prove. This is my option B. So please tick the option B here. Okay, beta? Clear to you? Any doubt to anyone? Please raise your hand and ask me. Any doubt to anyone? Is it clear? Okay, good. Mahir and Mayank is saying, ma'am, it's okay. This is what we have done in the theorem, and some of the questions are based on total probability, some are based on independent, some are based on जो है multiplication theorem of probability. Now today we will start with a very important topic based on which in the exam 100% one question comes, and normally they come in 5 marks or now in 3 or 5 marks. It is depend upon the examiner. Okay, now let's start with the concept. Questions we will start from tomorrow. I just want to tell you the concept, topic, why we are studying this topic, Bayes theorem. हाँ जी बेटा, you just listen this concept very carefully. Suppose I am having a 2 box. I am having first box and I am having second box, box 1, box 2. Both are having the same colors of balls. Suppose I am having black and red balls. Okay. Suppose I am having ball in first bag or box is 7. Here it is 3. Here it is 6, and here it is 4. Now, what they ask me, can you know that the probability of getting a red ball? Can you tell me what is the probability of a red ball? In bag 1, I mention here. Bag 1, everybody can answer my question, that is 3/10. है ना? If क्योंकि बैग 1 में मुझे पता है कि इतनी रेड बॉल्स हैं, अगर मैं आपसे रिवर्स पूछूं, मुझे पता है यहां पर कि मेरे पास जो बॉल निकाली गई है वो रेड बॉल है. I know it कि this is red ball, but I need to calculate that it is from bag 2. अगर मैं उल्टा कहती कि मेरे पास, मैं फिर आपको क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर रही हूं, अगर मैं स्टार्टिंग में ये कहती कि बेटा मेरे बैग 2 में से ब्लैक बॉल बता दो, तो आप मुझे बता देते बैग 2 में से 6 बॉल्स आर ब्लैक, और प्रोबेबिलिटी उसकी ऑब्वियस है 6/10 हो जाएगी। अगर मैं रिवर्स करती, क्योंकि यहाँ पहले आपको बता दिया गया था कि सेकंड बैग में से ही बताना, दैट इज गिवन टू यू, है ना। बट अगर मैं रिवर्स कर दूं, मुझे पता है कि मैंने ब्लैक बॉल निकाली है, तो बेटा बैग 1 में से भी हो सकती है, बैग 2 में से भी हो सकती है। बट मुझे कहा गया कि उसकी 100% प्रोबेबिलिटी बताओ कि क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि वो बैग 2 में से, मींस रिवर्स कर दिया गया। बैग 2 मुझे पता है कि वो ब्लैक बॉल है, that cannot be calculated except Bayes theorem. In order to solve this problem, a mathematician Bayes has given this theorem to give us the answer of such a type of questions. So tomorrow we will start doing the question based on this theorem. Before starting that question, I have to tell you the formula based on Bayes theorem, and it is totally based on the total probability when such a type of conditions are there. Okay, firstly we will do total probability, after then we will do Bayes theorem. I just today review the theorem कि ये क्यों पढ़ने लगे हैं, कैसे। ओके बेटा, clear to you? Okay, and we will meet tomorrow.